Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, beta. Open your cameras, both of you.
Okay, ma'am, just open. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Please open your cameras, all of you.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. Children, today will be a doubt clearing session. All the doubts that you have, please kindly let me know. See, in your exam, you might come across a few questions which you will find difficult over there. Right? You may find them difficult. Yesterday, like I took a revision test in school. During offline classes, I took a revision test and asked students. They actually found it a little tough. Isn't it, Kanak? Where is Kanak? There were a few concepts where you go and get stuck. Shreyansh, you were also there in school yesterday?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay, just open that revision test, the one we did yesterday in school.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, today we will do that only.
The same kind of a thing, not exactly same questions.
Okay, ma'am.
Kanak, can you please send it to me so that I'll share it on the screen? I want these students also to attempt the same test. Who is sending it?
Ma'am, I have sent you on your personal number.
Okay, let me see. Oh, okay, but it is solved. All right, children, I am typing these questions. I am typing these questions in the chat box. Okay.
Okay.
The first question is, okay, this one. Kanak and Shreyansh will not reply. Others will tell me the answer.
Ma'am, here is true. There are many English mentioned.
What? Tell me, the first one is Allemande, second Anglais, Français, Indian. So out of these four, what do you think is the odd one out? Which is the odd one out? What are all these things? What are these words related to?
Ma'am, French,
Ma'am,
Indian.
Indian. Ma'am, maybe Indian.
Indian is Indian, okay. Zahra said French. Then
Ma'am means. I'm not able to understand.
Francais. What is Francais? Francais is French.
I'm French.
Indian.
Ma'am, I'm asking you that,
Hmm?
like, we have to see odd one out.
Yes, you have
No,
to
ma'am.
choose the odd one out. So which is the odd one out of these four?
Ma'am, Indian.
Why Indian? Okay, on what basis you're saying Indian is odd one out?
Ma'am, because of E.
Because
E.
it has
I mean,
E in
last.
the end. Okay, but Almone also has E in the end. The first word. What is Almone?
Ma'am, Germany.
Germany, right? What is Anglais?
English.
English. What is Francais?
French.
What is Indian?
Indian.
Indian. So we have Germany, English, French, Indian. Now tell me which is the odd one out. What are these English?
Ma'am,
French?
Germany. Ma'am, because Almond. Ma'am, E we have put it in. Yes, ma'am.
One is country name while all other three are what? Nationalities. So
Ma'am,
country name is the odd
I
one
think
out.
so about that.
These kind of things, if you get an exam, so what will happen? You will not be able to solve them. Right? You got stuck here. Now the second one. What is the second one? Okay. This one is an easy one. Let's see who will do it.
Ma'am, it's day's name.
Hmm?
Day's name.
Hurry up. Taking too long for such an easy one.
Ma'am, it is that one. Ma'am, plaz.
Very
Like
nice.
this.
What is plage and what are these other words?
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
plaz means
other-
that.
Yes, Kibla?
Ma'am, others are weak
Ma'am,
names,
days.
and this one is beach.
Yes. This is a beach and while all others are names of the days.
Days.
Now, in the third one,
His name.
tell me, in the third one, which is the odd one out?
Ma'am, in this third one, ma'am, petites.
Why? On
Ma'am,
what
that is-
basis?
Ma'am, is small. Like we are using it.
Yes. Why petite?
Ma'am, because it
Because,
stands
ma'am,
for small, otherwise beautiful, intelligent
All the-
other.
There are like there are human qualities, and that is not.
So petite is what? It is not a quality.
Ma'am,
It is a
it is
negative
like
point.
no, ma'am.
Then
Ma'am, it means like ma'am, beautiful, beautiful. Ma'am, आपने दोनों beautiful
okay, the first one. Now listen. The first one is what? Handsome,
is about.
isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
The second one is beautiful.
Beautiful.
The third one is short, petite.
Short.
The fourth one is intelligent. But
Intelligent.
in my eyes, Belle is the odd one out. Why? Because Belle is the only word here which is being used for feminine gender, while all other three words describe masculine adjective. Just see,
Ma'am, small. We also use small for feminine. Right?
we use small for feminine, that is right. But here in this word, do you have E in the end? How will it be used for a girl? If we write
Yes,
P-E-T-I-T-E-S, isn't it? And intelligent also, see, if it will have E in the end, that is how it will be used with feminine gender. Okay, the next one. The fourth one is there.
Ma'am, that is on. Ma'am, third one, because ma'am, why is like we said unless we use it to
Very nice,
but
very
ma'am
nice.
on.
All other are aller verb, while ONT
Ma'am,
is
go.
avoir verb. Very good. Now, see, the second question is trouver l'erreur, which means you have to find the error. Now, I'm typing a few sentences in which you have to find out the errors. Okay, the first one is in the chat box. Okay, 4 sentences, find out the error in 4 of them. There is some mistake, a small mistake is hidden in all 4 sentences.
Oh,
Kana, the 4th sentence is an addition.
Ma'am, in fourth.
It wasn't there yesterday.
Yes, ma'am. I mean, fourth one is Spaniel. Ma'am, we are talking about a girl and we are writing the
We are not right.
gender word like
Yes.
we are not writing in
So how will you make it correct? What will the rectification
Spaniel.
be? Type the correct
will
spelling
add the
in the
E.
chat box. Whatever you feel should be
Okay, ma'am.
rectified, please type it. Okay,
And
then
is it
what about
correct?
others? What about other sentences? What is the mistake in the first sentence?
ma'am,
The,
birds are
the
black
birds are
means any mistake in it.
In
Only the
which one?
fourth one, the last.
Beta, in
Let
fourth
me
And the
one,
check.
see.
first one.
Zara, beta, in the 4th sentence, we are talking about a girl. She is Spanish. So, Espanol.
Yes, ma'am.
I have written Espanol in masculine form, which is to be converted
Yes,
into feminine form. We have to add
feminine.
in the end. Okay, what is the mistake in the first one? Hurry up.
Ma'am, I got the mistake. Ma'am, I got but
Very
I'm
nice.
typing.
Yes, type it. Good. Very nice. Very good, Sanya. See, Sanya caught the mistake. Zara, Kibla, pay attention. What was the mistake in the first sentence? Oazo was written in singular form, while all other words are written in plural. So we have to make oazo also into plural. Okay. In the second one, see, you might not know what is the meaning of quel. Quel means which.
Which?
Now see, I'm going to tell you
Which
how we use quel, and you will yourself come to know what is the mistake here. See, quel is used in these 4 different forms. Quel means which.
Ma'am, got it, which is wrong.
Yes, very nice.
Ma'am, got it.
Now Zara and Kibla, beta, you also make a guess. What will be
Okay.
the correct form of kel with fee? What does fee mean? And which form of kel are we going to put with it?
Ma'am, is it correct? So,
Very nice. Very
like-
good, Sanya. Now the third one. Sanya, hurry up and do the third one. I have told you when we talk about places, we use preposition before it. Zara, what do you mean by one kel?
Ma'am, 3-1. Ma'am, the third one.
Okay, third
I've written
one.
like
Yes,
this.
very nice. Very good. Now, when we talk about this one, what was I saying? Yes, when we talk about places. So what do we do in places? We type before them when we have to put preposition. I am going to the park. I am going to the school. I am going to the cinema. So to the depends on the gender of the place
Excuse
we are
me,
talking about. Yes.
Ma'am, we haven't got the link of Sanskrit. Ma'am, how we can join?
Beta, I don't know why you haven't got the link of Sanskrit.
Ma'am, might be this class is suspended.
Might be what?
Might be this class is
Who
suspended.
takes
of
who
Sanskrit.
takes Sanskrit, beta? Who takes your Sanskrit?
Ma'am, Kamlender, sir.
Kamlendra sir is in school these days for classes 9th to 12th. So there is no arrangement put, I guess, in your class. Kamlendra
like-
sir goes for offline classes to school. Is he taking online classes these days? No, he's not taking.
Ma'am, like we are taking offline classes, but today due to exam, we are taking just online. Yes, ma'am.
So beta, I don't know why, because sir cannot send you the link. The arrangement hasn't been put. So what you will do is you will just sit and relax now. Revise your Sanskrit on your own. Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, beta. So what I was telling you.
Ma'am, this like in third one, it could be a written like we can put as or.
Very good. Very nice, Sanya. See children, you have to remember these things. When we talk about rules of framing sentences, putting sentences into right structure, their structure should be correct. We should remember all these things. Okay, it is not only to learn, it is also to apply. Now you rightly apply the rules, whatever rules you have learned. So it is il va o cinema, correct. Now instead, if I would have spoken about school, not cinema, then what would have been we would have typed what? Il va. What is school by gender? Yes. So how will we type it? Il va à l'école.
Yes, ma'am. Can I type?
Yes, still I typed it, but it went to Zehra directly. Il va à.
L'école.
Yes, il va à l'école. This is how you're going to type, because école is what? École is a feminine place. École is feminine gender. Then, if I want to say, I am at home. I am at home. Now hurry up and tell me.
Okay, ma'am. Just type.
Yes, ma'am.
Very nice. Who is
Ma'am, is it correct?
Anya? Perfect, beta, perfect. I'm very happy to see you.
Ma'am, can you?
Yes, can you what?
She got disconnected.
Now, next question, just wait. Again, I'm going to give you a question. You have to put You have to put this sentence in correct order. Now, what is the sentence?
Yes, we are amazing.
Okay.
Ma'am, it could be il a throw balloon.
Very nice. Il a trois ballons. Correct.
He has 3 balloons.
Ma'am, I just got disconnected for a few seconds.
This one. Sorry, it should be
Ma'am, it could be les on fruit.
what?
Ma'am, I'm
Kanak
saying,
wrong. Kanak, this is not
The
correct.
fruits
ma'am, just saying.
Again wrong, Kanak.
Ma'am, got it. Now I got it. What is it? Ma'am, it is la fruit sur force.
Very nice. Les fruits sont rouges. The fruits
Yes,
are
ma'am.
red.
Fruits are red.
It was such an easy one. I thought you would do it instantly. Okay, next.
Ma'am, I'm thinking like there are red fruits.
Okay, now see.
Ma'am, is this one correct that I have sent?
Yes, instead of R, just put SONT. Okay.
Okay.
Zahra strictly translated it and then she put an R only. So
Yes, ma'am, I have written like this and forgot to write.
like ma'am yesterday ma'am is teaching Pooja ma'am that there rest EST. So I'm thinking like there is, how is it is?
Here is.
I realize it is French word.
Now let me see who does it. What happened? Not being able to do it?
Ma'am able to do it just a second. Ma'am, it could be he is from French. He has the force of French.
Just type it in the chat box. Beta, show me what you're saying.
And is this correct? This only answer.
Ma'am, can you please send the question again because I can't
Is it
see it.
correct? Ma'am, is it correct? Zara is sent question.
Thank you.
Okay, where is the answer? My God, what is happening to my laptop? I was not being able to
Ma'am, I have sent my
myself.
answer.
You have eaten one word. You have
Ma'am,
missed. Yes.
ma'am, before concentrate could be
Before what? Before?
ma'am before French process.
No, before the word français.
Yes, ma'am. Il, ma'am, it is confusing.
Yes, ma'am, this is confusing to me also.
Okay, what is il a? He has. He has.
It is he has.
Now, what does he have? He has what? He has.
Ma'am, got it. Ma'am, got it. Ma'am, got it. Ma'am, got it. He has. I got it. Ma'am, sending you again. Ma'am, now is it?
Perfect. Perfect. Now see, whatever questions I have given in this chat box, please write all of them, whether it was to Trouvé Lerer or the first one, Chazé Lantrieu, all of them. Write all these questions. Okay? From the beginning till here.
Ma'am, I have already written this when I'm doing some first of night.
You have already written all of them?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So what
Ma'am,
you
because
will do
I'm
is-
writing that time also.
what you will do is, beta, here now see, I'm giving you two verbs to do. This is question number 4. Okay. Okay, do it. See in the chat box.
Ma'am, it is combine the verb which is live and
Beta, the question is conjuguer les verbes. Now, how many verbs are there? There are 2 verbs, aller and habiter. So you have to conjugate both of them. Okay.
I'm like, I'm not able to understand it perfectly.
Beta, what can't you understand? How to conjugate these verbs? Beta, conjugation is je, ve, tu, va, il, va, like that. The table of the whole verb, how we use it in sentences.
So, ma'am, it means like we have to make a sentence
No, you
with
don't
adding
have to
these
make
words.
sentence. See, you don't have to make sentence. You only have to write it in a table. Like I'm beginning, I'm showing you how to write aller verb. Je vais, tu vas, il, elle. Like I always show you, like I always teach you how we write. The whole table is made. See in the chat box. Even in your book, a pink color table is given of every verb. That is the conjugated form of the verb. That is how you conjugate a verb. Clear, Sanya?
Okay, ma'am, I'm ready. Yes, ma'am.
Done, children? Yes, Sanya?
Yes, ma'am.
And what about
Yes,
you,
ma'am. I'm
Zehra?
trying to try it and check.
Zehra, have you done? Okay, tell me if there's any doubt, anything that you want to ask.